We are excited to show you our revolutionary product that will change the world of dental education. With DenTeach, students will be able to have classroom experience from almost anywhere. To demonstrate this, we will now show you an example of a live class session that can be taken place from multiple different locations. The two main components of DenTeach are the DT Instructor and the DT Student. We have recently added a basic edition and scanner to our offerings. The DenTeach Dental Unit is another optional add-on that can be used with the DenTeach system. As you can now see, the instructor is able to log in and select the class as well as the lesson that they would like to teach. They can now customize a rubric from our preloaded DenTeach library. The rubric selected can be easily added or removed to optimize the grading tool outcome. Once the lecture is set up, the instructor can build the course with pre-recorded tutorials as well as pre-recorded videos and lecture notes, which can be downloaded easily for students to have access 24/7 on our DT Performer cloud-based software. Our DT Instructor's model comes equipped with several cameras that can stream and record more than 180 degrees for additional close-up realization. While preparing for the class, the sensor is placed on the handpiece. Once this is done, they will then select the position of the typodont so that it most closely represents the posture of a real patient, and they can begin. Once the instructor's workstation is set, the instructor can begin the class and each student's articulator will start to move to match the instructor's position. The instructor can communicate through their headset, which allows all students to see and hear in live time. Students will also feel the same vibrations of their instructor's handpiece because of the haptic technology within the device. These vibrations can tell them how much pressure the instructor applied when drilling a tooth or if the student's handpiece position is too far off. The augmented reality appears on the student's own DT Performer software, with two of our real feel handpieces, and the student can follow along with their instructor while live streaming. This is the shadowing mode of DenTeach. Once the student has successfully completed their prep and feels that they have done a good job, students can now insert their tooth into our DT Prep scanner, which allows students to scan the surfaces of their tooth and take precise measurements within 20 microns. Our DT Prep scanner uses its laser measuring system to take a scan of one or multiple surfaces of a dental prep. Once the measurement is done, students and instructors can view both 2D and 3D models of the scan prep. These interactive images let you take measurements between two different points on the surface. After the class is finished, DenTeach will give you the option to save the video, audio, and haptic sensations of the handpiece to the cloud where students can view it whenever they feel like they need a refresher or want to practice more. After the live session, the students can now view the customized auto-grading feature, which can also be customized by the instructor. They can practice at any time and submit their best performance at their leisure. Photos are randomly taken to quantify the practice sessions. Some of the key metrics that DenTeach provides includes tool handling angulation, steadiness and smoothness of the student's hands, the accuracy of the student's prep area, and how often they were within the acceptable range of the position for the handpiece. Each of our metrics is displayed in a way that is easy to understand and is used for grading. With DenTeach, instructors and students also have the ability to see several key metrics on their students' performance, including the learning curve analysis, to determine if the student is on track. After the DenTeach experience, both the instructor and student will have a much more pleasant learning experience. We hope that you enjoyed learning more about DenTeach. Thank you for watching.